guys, my name is G from Zuwenatronics, and today we are here to showcase this amazing Hisense fridge, 176 liters, single door. It's silver in color. The most amazing feature about this fridge is that it has a water dispenser. It also has a top mount freezer. It's a 2-star rating, and it has ice cube makers. For these and more products, you can pay us a visit at Tomboya Street, Platinum Plaza, first floor, shop number F12. You can also shop through our online channels at www.zuwenatronics.com. We do deliveries countrywide. Payment is done on delivery. All are welcome.
Call on me.